Magega ya machibu ya matemwa manene a KCSE kurariwa aworit korea igoro no waziri w'isemi Professor George Magoha nigo yarokanite buna aborokiwa bange korwa ensemo ya Kisii nigo babete bagokoribuya ase amatemu awase ensemo gose korwa ase county ya Nyamira eskuru y'abamura ya Nyambaria yarokanite ko bagati y'eskuru kiri cyabete kigokoribuya ase omuchengo obwe ogenderete koba abarimu amona abaibori ase eskuru eyo bagenderete gochengera ogokora buya kwa aboroki wawo
eye ingati y'eskuru kiri cyanyalte cyokorobuya asa matemu amane kirasi ye komina kabere omwarimu omonene bwe eskuru yega ya Nyambaria Mr. Paso Wino nigo ayagokerete amachibu ya amatemu ayega
of 543 and 6 of them have A plane, 67 have A minus, 103 B plus, 144 B plane, 112 B minus, 76 C plus, 25 C plane, 7 C minus, 2 D plus, and the last one D minus 1. The direct entry to the university 2020 is 508, which is 93.55%. The deviation is positive 0.7474. So to us that is a great improvement from 2019.
Nanigo abakirabuya abalimu abaiboli amona aboroki wako batekana mukia amono kwerwa okwega babegete mutwe egento keirere chinkoro cyabo bono gosasoka nango ipotilia ATV agetembe kurega ACOBC enene y'umwalimu w'eskuru eyega ya Nyambaria Liane Lucas Mugakam
twale kolia mbono twamanyora omwana twale kolia mbono twamanyora
surprise. Yes, nilikuwa na aspire kupita, but ikakuja exemplary well, na like to thank the Almighty, also thank my mom here. She's been a pillar in my success. I would also like to thank my teachers from my school. Yes.
Nilikuwa nasoma Mwe Girls Vocoli Koko Western. Mimi nimefurahi, siku expect kupata hivyo juu sikuanga napita hivyo sana, lakini nimepata B minor, nimefurahi, nashukuru Mungu. I thank my parents penye wako. Mimi nashukuru juu walinisupport kwa kila kitu nilikuwa nataka. Kina hapa auntie wote, nimefurahi kazi yangu hapa imepita. Sasa tumefurahi sana. Pia mimi nataka kujoin KU na ningependa kufanya course niko nursing.
Nakorwa ase eskuru y'abamura ya Kebirigo egiye gotoka ase wodi ya Bonyamatuta ebunke ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira nigo omogoko bwatete insene ye magega y'aboroki wakorwa ase eskuru eyo gokoria buya mono korengania no mwaka boeta awase babete bagotwara emini ya isano isato gose 8.8 ase omoroki wabo mwerio abwate alama ye C plane yento kiarete tomogoko monene ase abarimu kurwa ase eskuru eyo.
We also got an two A minuses. We had 67 B plus, 67 B's, 20 C plus, and 8 C's.
Koira na skuru ya ito ya Kebirigo ngombe ya mano ikiagara ya korire buya na into ya to imukere Nyamira county igoro
Togotigara ase county ya Nyamira nigo omuchengo genderete ase chiskuru ao chiabete chigokori buya gati yabo eskuru y'abanyaruka ya Sironga amone skuru ya secondary ya Nyakemincha icho chiabete chigokori buya kabisa sa matemwa ya manene.
Chaplain Sironga Girls National High School. This main achievement that we have got because we try trusted God. And we know that we cannot do anything without putting God first.
Na ase county ya Kisii nigo omwarimu omonene bw'esukuru y'abamura ya Kisii ale no mogokone magega y'esukuru eyo ya Kisii korari wakoba namba 19 ase Kenya ngima nabo igo nigo mogoko bwateteneye magega y'omoroki woyo mokuru esukuru eyo yobwate oborema bwa maiso oyobete kagokora buya ase okonyora alama ya A plane.
Go to the principal of Kisii High School in Kisii County. We are happy to receive our results for the year 2020 candidates. We registered 463 candidates in the year 2020, and all of them sat KCSE. We are happy that we just received our results, and it is very good for us. And I want to just give you a breakdown of the results that we received. A plane we have 12, A minus we have 97, B plus 98, B plane 92, B minus 72, C plus 49, C plane 27, C minus 13, D plus 3, and that is our last grade. This gives us a percentage pass of 91% in the university entry. A total number of 420. This group of boys have done us proud as a school. We have moved from a mean of 8.3 to 9.0. That is a great result. And we have also moved from 69% qualifying to university.
Esukuru y'abamura ya Riokindo nero yabetege kurari wa gokora buya korwa ase asukati esukuru cyakorete buya korwa ase orogongo rwa Gusii. Esukuru yo nigo egotoka ase ebunge yabo machoge bora bwimeye county ya Kisii agwase abana bonsipi korwa ase esukuru ibarachi goswa e university neye magega yo mwana bo moyo konyora e alama ye C+ nigo abaibori amona bari mu bagokerete amachibwa yo.
Marieta Fred Mogaka, mo principal Riokindo Boys High School, senior principal Riokindo Boys High School. Ningade tikuwakera nyasaye ngambuya mono asinge njama toke ama yatu anyolire abana bonsi pibu na magwate aba into bako genda university. Oseko baracha areko genda ande the 268 results have come na bonsi pingo genda bare university. Tuanyolire una na ikagoteba ntonyolete plane na target nyoko nyolete plane na kiri ntonyolete want to accept the results. Tuwanyolere chie minus 17 chipi plus 99 merongo kiana na kianda chipi plane emia yemo na 10 chipi minus emerongo 35 nemo ne grade kioma ne chipi plus chire isano na bonsi pi kwa minute ngako enda bare university na bangane tukuwakera mbuya mona bari baito abana bo mwakoria abaibori chikamati chia ebody yaito headed by Saburo Nongori mo chief officer planning Kisii County.
Dalton Momanyi obure korwase eskuru ya Friends Kamsinga oyobo igo ore omoi wabo mo director wegeta seni kyagetembe nigo abeteka gokoria buya ase amatemwa ya manene awasabwate alama ya A plane na nigo tokomotebia congratulations.